Is the dreaded Nu80040811 error code stopping you from downloading your favorite apps on Google Play? Don't worry, this quick guide will walk you through fixing it. First, let's try clearing the Google Play Store's cache. Head to your phone's Settings app, then find and tap on Apps or Application Manager. The wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version. Now, scroll down until you locate Google Play Store in the list of installed apps and tap on it. On the Google Play Store app info screen, tap on Storage. Next, tap the Clear Cache button. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. After clearing the cache, restart your device to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, go back to the Google Play Store's storage settings and this time, tap on Clear Data or Clear Storage. Keep in mind, this will reset the app to its default settings. Confirm that you want to clear all data. Clearing data will remove your account information from the app, so you'll need to sign back and restart your device after this step. Still no luck? Let's reset your app preferences. Go back to the Apps or Application Manager screen. In your settings, look for a three-dot menu, usually in the top right corner. Tap on it. Choose Reset App Preferences from the menu that appears. This will reset disabled apps, notification restrictions, background data restrictions, and default app choices. You'll have to grant permissions to some apps after this. Finally, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger this error. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has helped you fix the Nu80040811 error code and get back to downloading your favorite apps.